Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Reasons Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Regions Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in mymortgage.regionmortgage.com and make a search. The official page of Reasons Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Enter your online ID and password associated with your Reasons Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your online ID or password, click on Forgot Online ID or Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Reasons Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.